Today, you're going to learn how to add a job in QuickBooks Online, and the entire process will only take a few minutes. Whether you're brand new to QuickBooks or simply looking to improve your workflow, this quick guide will help you add and manage jobs more efficiently, keeping your customer records organized and up to date. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your web browser. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner where you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it and you'll be taken to the login page. Here, enter your email and password carefully to avoid delays. If you often struggle remembering passwords, using a password manager is a great option to keep your login details secure and accessible. After entering your credentials, click Sign In again to access your dashboard. Once you're inside QuickBooks, navigate to the Customers and Leads section. This is the area where you manage all customer information along with any jobs associated with them. Select the Customers tab to open your full customer list. Scroll through and choose the customer you want to add a job for, then click on their profile. Inside the customer's profile, locate the Edit button and open it. This is where you'll adjust details and add job-specific information. Look for the option labeled Is a Sub-Customer. Checking this box indicates that you are adding a job linked to the main customer. After selecting it, the system will prompt you to assign a parent customer. Choose the appropriate customer so the job is filed correctly under their account. Next, find the company name field and type in the job title or position you want to add. This label will help you easily reference and manage the job, especially when you have multiple jobs tied to one customer. Once everything is entered and reviewed, click Save. Your new job is now successfully added to QuickBooks, ready to be tracked and managed whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.